If Counter-Strike 2 keeps crashing after the latest update, then don't worry. Before making this video, I looked through Reddit discussions, Steam community posts, and various CS2 forums, where many players reported experiencing the exact same issue. Some players said the game crashed immediately after pressing play, while others mentioned it closed on startup without showing any error message. After reviewing those discussions, I found one solution that was repeatedly mentioned by players using FACEIT, and it has worked for many users after recent game updates. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Make sure you watch until the end because this simple fix might save you from reinstalling the game. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is completely close Counter-Strike 2 if it's still running in the background. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go through the list of running processes and look for anything related to FACEIT. If you see FACEIT Anti-Cheat, or any other FACEIT background process, right-click each one and select End Task. Make sure every FACEIT-related process has been completely closed. You should also check your system tray in the bottom right corner of Windows. If the FACEIT application or FACEIT Anti-Cheat is still running there, right-click it and choose Exit so it closes completely. According to many community reports, after recent Counter-Strike 2 updates, FACEIT Anti-Cheat can sometimes conflict with the game during launch, causing it to crash before it reaches the main menu. Once you've closed all FACEIT processes, open Steam and launch Counter-Strike 2 again. If Counter-Strike 2 is not launching after the latest update, the first thing you should check is your autoexec.cfg file. Open Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse. Open the Game folder, then CSGO, and finally open the CFG folder. If you have an autoexec.cfg file inside this folder, temporarily remove it or move it to another location. If you don't see the file extension, click View, then Show, and enable file name extensions. Several players reported that after removing their custom autoexec configuration, the game started launching normally again. If the problem still isn't fixed, check the game's compatibility settings. Go back to the Counter-Strike 2 installation folder and open Game Arrow Bin Arrow Win64, locate CS2.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. If run this program in compatibility mode, run this program as administrator, or disable full screen optimizations are enabled, uncheck all of them. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching the game again. Another solution recommended by many players is updating your graphics drivers. Whether you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, make sure you're running the latest driver version available for your GPU. Several players mentioned that installing the latest graphics driver fixed launch issues introduced after the update. If the game still won't open, the next thing you should do is clear Steam's cached user data. Completely close Steam first. Then open File Explorer and navigate to C:/Program Files x86/Steam. Inside the Steam folder, locate the user data folder. Delete this folder. Don't worry, this mainly stores cached Steam data. It won't delete your game progress, but you'll need to sign back into your Steam account afterward, so make sure you remember your login credentials. Once you've done that, launch Steam again. If you're still experiencing the same issue, let me know in the comments exactly what happens when you press play. Does the game crash immediately, close without an error, or never open at all? I'll do my best to help you out.